friends, my name is Pragwansh. I am from Amravati. I have completed my engineering from Professor Meghe College of Engineering and Management, Badnera. Currently, I am employed at a multinational company called Arcadis. In my career growth and development, my college PRMCEAM has lion's share, and I don't find any better opportunity to thank my college. PRMCEAM's keen efforts into soft skills, communications and overall personality development gives students juice start and fruitful career growth. They arrange site visits, guest lectures so that students could get industry exposure. I really would like to thank my professors and my college for what I am today. Thanks PRMCEAM. Thanks all my professors.